Welcome to today's edition of the Exploring Mining podcast, featuring stock news from TSX, TSXV, CSE, ASX, NASDAQ, and New York Stock Exchange mining companies, plus interviews with CEOs and leading experts. Hey folks, Sam Mowers here, back with another episode of the Exploring Mining podcast. For news today, we've got the latest from Newmont Corporation, Silvercrest Metals, SSR Mining, American Creek Resources, Advanced Gold Corp, and American Pacific Mining Corp. So Newmont Corporation, which trades on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol NEM, has announced a change to its brand, logo, and name. The company was formerly known as Newmont Gold Corp Corporation, as a means to commemorate its centenary year in May of 2020. Tom Palmer, Newmont's president and CEO, commented, quote, "We successfully completed two historic transactions in 2019, which have transformed Newmont into a truly international organization with an unmatched portfolio of assets and prospects in top-tier jurisdictions around the world. As this company has done many times in the past, Newmont has demonstrated its ability to adapt to change, which is truly a hallmark of our success over the last 100 years. Updating our brand represents a natural step as we approach the next 100 years in Newmont's long and proud legacy of operating discipline, profitable growth, environmental stewardship, and developing the industry's best talent." End quote. SSR Mining Inc., which trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol SSRM, has agreed to purchase 1,819,074 shares of Silvercrest Metals Inc., which itself trades on the New York Stock Exchange American under the ticker symbol SILV, for aggregate proceeds of $13,242,859 Canadian at the same price of $7.28 Canadian as the bought deal public offering announced by Silvercrest on December 3, 2019. Paul Benson, the president and CEO of SSR Mining, said, quote, "This transaction presents an attractive outcome for both companies. It delivers SSR Mining shareholders an immediate financial gain while providing Silvercrest additional capital for the continued exploration and development of the Las Chispas project." End quote. American Creek Resources Limited, which trades on the TSXV under the ticker symbol AMK, has issued a press release reporting that 2019 was a pivotal year for the company, positioning it to take full advantage of the precious metals bull run that many experts believe we are only in the early stages of. Darren Blaney, the CEO of American Creek, explained, quote, "This past year was a significant turning point for the company and will be the catalyst for more exciting developments in 2020. The company has strengthened its position both financially and strategically and is poised to benefit from not only a strengthening gold and silver market, but also from the investment community becoming more aware of the company's projects and potential. The Treaty Creek project will be advancing in a major way, and several of our other projects, including the Dunwell and Gold Hill, will also be the focus of attention this year. We very much look forward to 2020 and wish all of our shareholders the very best this upcoming year." End quote. Advanced Gold Corp, which is traded on the TSXV under the ticker symbol AAX, has provided a drilling update for its Tabasquina project in Zacatecas, Mexico, indicating that the company has commenced the drilling of a second hole following completion of the first drill hole into the large chargeability anomaly identified in the company's recent 3D-induced polarization, or IP, surveys on the project. Alan Barry Lubican, the president and CEO of Advanced Gold Corp, commented, quote, "One of the great things about exploration in the state of Zacatecas, Mexico, is that due to the established infrastructure and seasoned contractors, we can get a lot of work done at low cost. Now that we are confident that the large IP geophysical chargeability anomaly is caused by a sulfide system, we feel it is time to bring in a second rig to expedite our exploration of the system. With the hard work of our team and support from our shareholders, we have been able to keep the share structure tight, and with the recent improvement in our valuation, our shareholders have continued to be supportive with the early exercise of in-the-money warrants that will help us fund the upcoming drilling. In addition to a better understanding of the sulfide system, we are also eager to better understand the associated widespread quartz veining throughout the entire system, including adularia, crustiform, and cauliform quartz, as well as some veinlets of quartz adularia crystals. It is becoming clear that we have found a large continuous mineralizing system. With 2 drill rigs, we will be able to more rapidly explore this discovery and increase the new flows in the first quarter of 2020, end quote. And American Pacific Mining Corp., which trades on the CSE, under the ticker symbol USGD, has provided an update on the Gooseberry gold-silver project in the Ramsey Mining District of Story, Nevada. According to the press release, the project has been developed vertically to 1,450 feet, or 442 meters from surface, with significant underground development across 7 of 10 levels. Eric Saderholm, the company's president and director, said, quote, "We are pleased with the progress of the Gooseberry 3D model, indicating that historic grades were quite robust during the mine's productive years. Gooseberry hasn't been in production for almost 30 years, and this data shows the high exploration potential for APM to expand upon the known mineralized zones," end quote. Well, that does it for today's Exploring Mining podcast. If you'd like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, please contact InvestorIdeas.com. InvestorIdeas.com reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. All investment involves risk, and this podcast is not meant to be an endorsement to buy or sell securities or products. To hear more podcasts, you can go to InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on iTunes, Spotify, Google Play Music, iHeart.com, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker, and SoundCloud.